Continuing on with 2.1 motion and speed notes, we're going to go over speed today. So speed is just the distance an object travels per unit of time. Okay, so it can be measured in meters per second, centimeters per second, kilometers per hour, miles per hour. Okay, it's also known as a rate of change. And so the basic formula for calculating speed is distance over time, or distance divided by time. So here I have it here. And something else that I did for you guys was I actually rearranged the equation in order to solve for distance or solve for time if we're given speed or distance respectively. Okay, so we're going to do these practice problems. So a car travels 40 kilometers in 2 hours. What was the speed of the car? Okay, so 40 kilometers, okay, that's going to be our distance, and then 2 hours is a time. So we have distance and we have time, so we're going to use that first formula. The speed equals distance divided by time, so we're going to take 40 kilometers divided by 2 hours to give us 20 kilometers per hour. Okay, for number 2, Jill ran at a constant speed of 3 miles per hour, so that's a speed, for 15 minutes. Okay, and that's time. How far did she run? Okay, you'll notice that in parentheses I gave you that 15 minutes is a quarter of an hour, or 0.25 of an hour. Okay, we'll want to use this number so that our units match, because this is in miles per hour, not miles per minute. So because it's in miles per hour, we need to use a time that's also in hours. Okay, so we have a speed and we have time. So speed and time, we're trying to find distance, so we're going to use this formula. So speed of 3 miles per hour times our time of 0.25 hours, and we get 0.75 miles. And then for the last one, Jill ran a constant speed of 3 miles per hour, so that's speed. How long did it take her to go 5 miles? So 5 miles, that's a distance. And we want to know how long did it take. So we're trying to find time. So we're going to use this last formula here. So time equals distance divided by speed. Right? So we did our distance, which is 5 miles, divided by our speed, 3 miles per hour, equals, and we get 1.67 hours.